What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And for today, we are going to talk about the best hotel credit cards of 2024. So, let's go. In 2024, hotel credit cards continue to offer travelers exceptional rewards and benefits tailored to enhance their stays. From luxury perks to budget-friendly options, there's a card for every type of traveler. Whether you're seeking elite status, free nights, or generous points earnings, the right hotel credit card can significantly elevate your travel experience. Here's a look at the 5 best hotel credit cards of the year, each with unique advantages. First is Hilton Honors American Express Aspire Card. The Hilton Honors American Express Aspire card is the ultimate choice for luxury travelers, offering an unbeatable 14 times points on Hilton purchases, the highest among the cards researched. With up to $400 in statement credits for Hilton resort expenses, a $200 airline free credit, and a $100 property credit for a 2+ night stay at Waldorf Astoria or Conrad Hotels, this card ensures a premium experience. Automatic Hilton Honors Diamond Elite status provides exclusive benefits, while the $550 annual fee is justified by the exceptional rewards and perks. Next is the IHG One Rewards Premier Credit Card. The IHG One Rewards Premier Credit Card delivers exceptional value with its 10 times points on IHG purchases on annual free night and up to $100 global entry TSA pre-check fee credit. At just $99 per year, this card offers a compelling combination of rewards and benefits. Whether you're a frequent IHG guest or looking for a versatile hotel credit card, the IHG One Rewards Premier Credit Card is a top contender. Next is the Marriott Bonvoy Brilliant American Express Card. The Marriott Bonvoy Brilliant American Express card is the perfect companion for international travel, earning 6 times points on Marriott purchases. With an annual free night and up to $300 in Marriott statement credits annually, this card ensures a luxurious experience at Marriott properties worldwide. The $450 annual fee is justified by the generous rewards and benefits, making it a standout choice for Marriott loyalists and global travelers alike. Next is the Marriott Bonvoy Business American Express Card. The Marriott Bonvoy Business American Express Card is tailored for business travelers, earning 6 times points on eligible Marriott purchases. With an annual free night and complimentary Marriott Bonvoy Silver Elite status, which can be upgraded to Gold status after $35,000 in annual purchases, this card offers valuable benefits for business travelers. The $125 annual fee is a reasonable investment for the rewards and perks, making it a smart choice for business owners and frequent Marriott guests. Finally, we have the Winam Rewards Earner Plus card. The Winam Rewards Earner Plus card is the perfect choice for budget-conscious travelers, offering 6 times points on Winam purchases and 4 times points on dining and groceries. With an annual free night and no annual fee the first year, followed by a modest $75 fee, this card provides excellent value for money. Whether you're a frequent Wyndham guest or looking for a budget-friendly hotel rewards card, the Wyndham Rewards Earner Plus card is a solid option. Choosing the right hotel credit card can significantly enhance your traveler experience by maximizing rewards and benefits. Whether you prioritize luxury stays, business travel, or budget-friendly options, there's a card that fits your needs. Evaluate factors such as rewards rates, annual fees, and additional perks to find the best match for your travel habits. With the right card in hand, you can enjoy more memorable stays and valuable rewards on your journeys. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.